This is the same guy I filmed earlier on the side of my house. Apparently he went all the way around the house to the backyard and is hanging out amongst my construction supplies here in the backyard, as we are in the middle of a project with the pool and landscaping, etc. Fire pit. This is a desert spiny lizard. I call this guy short tail or stubby because lizards here can lose their tail either from a predator or something else, and then they grow back. His tail is very short right now and is in the process of growing back. I think I'll approach him and show you how quick they can be. Yep, he was very quick.